everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Madeline and today I'm going to be doing another Butcher Box unboxing. And so I have ordered a couple that I didn't film just because Butcher Box wasn't accepting new customers, but they are accepting new customers now, so I thought I'd go ahead and start filming what I got again. And so in this box I did the pork and beef box, and then I added on quite a few other things. So I'll be sure to identify which things are things that actually came in my box, just the regular base subscription, versus what are things I added on. We did try quite a few of the add-ons during quarantine and like some of them, so those are the ones I re-added to this box again. If you have any comments or questions, please feel free to leave down below. As always, this video is not sponsored. We really just do enjoy getting these boxes. But down in the description box below, you will find my little referral code. So I'm gonna turn the camera around and zoom in on our box right here, and I'll show you all the things we picked out this time. So they do put this nice little label in the box so that I can remember what everything is. So the things that actually just came in my beef and pork box, it doesn't let you select it when you do that option. So Butcher Box essentially selects it for you. So the ones that I got with that are going to be 5 total. So I got the half bone-in pork butt, the 4 flat iron steaks, 6 ounces each, 2 pounds of ground beef, 4 pork chops, boneless, 8 ounces each, and then the eye round, 32 ounces. And then everything else on this list are things that I added into our box. So if you've never seen a Butcher Box before, this is just how it comes delivered. I don't think I can zoom out any further, but they do have really nice insulation. So like it's 90 something degrees out here and this is still frozen solid in here. So I just took out all the extra packaging. So now I can just go through each item for you here. So I'll point out any things we have tried before and what we thought of them. And then some of those are going to be new as well. So this first thing here right on top, these are new to us. We've never tried these before. We have had the Butcher Box ground beef, but never the actual beef patties. So these ones are 80/20. You get 6 of them in here and they're each 1/3 of a pound. Grass-fed, grass-finished. So excited to try these. Can't quite see. Okay, so it looks like they're just packaged like that with, there might be pieces of like wax paper or something in between. Next up, we have pork. This is our pork loin chops. This was part of our beef and pork box. These ones are also new to us, and I was very excited to try these ones. So they're uncured hot dogs made with 100% grass-fed, grass-finished beef, no nitrates or nitrates added. And so it's 1 pound of hot dogs, looks like 8 total. So I'm very excited to try these. I'll let you know how these are when we get our next box. Oops. So these are the flat iron steaks. The ground bison was another thing that I added in. We tried this last time and we really enjoyed this. So it's just 1 pound of ground bison, grass-fed again. This one is another thing we tried in our last box and we really like this. This one's the apple Gouda sausage. And so it comes with 4 in a pack. And again, just no nitrates, no antibiotics, vegetarian fed, all good stuff. These were really good. Here we have our ground turkey, another thing I added in. So each one of these should be 1 pound, so you get 2 pounds. And this was very good. We made turkey burgers out of this last time. Looks like that's part of the box stuck to it. All these are really cold too. So it looks like here we have more of the flat iron steaks. More of the boneless pork loin chop. This one's probably our favorite Butcher Box item. So this is the pork breakfast sausage. And this is something you can add onto your box. So we always just make sure we add this on to make sure we always get this. Probably like our all-time favorite Butcher Box item. I probably won't pick this one up just because it's going to be heavy and really cold. But that's our bone-in pork butt. And I can tell you how many pounds it is. Maybe. Doesn't look like it's printed on there. Don't see it on there. But next up, another thing I added on, because we didn't have any fish in our option, was this Alaska halibut. Should be 1 pound. And I think there's 6 pieces in here. Not sure why it says 3 servings per container and 1 portion. Maybe there are only 3 pieces. So this was pretty pricey then, because this I think was like $20 to add on, and there's only 3 pieces in here. So hopefully this is really good. Wild caught Alaska halibut. And then next up down here, I'm going to leave these in here for now too, are the ground beef. So we have 2 pounds of the 100% grass-fed, grass-finished ground beef. And these are $85.15. And then the final thing down here is the eye round roast. Doesn't look like, oh, okay, so this one's 32 ounces or 2 pounds. So that is everything we got in our Butcher Box this time. If you have any comments or questions, please feel free to leave them down below. And if you're interested in trying Butcher Box, don't forget about that link down below in the description box as well. I'll see you next time.